Welcome everybody to episode 1 of our 6-part series on the Atomic Bear gun magnet. Basically what we're going to be doing in this episode is just do a quick unboxing to kind of get you more familiar with your magnet and maybe show you some things that you didn't know were included. So right here on the close-up, let's jump into it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to notice once you open your box is that it comes with these two stickers right here. You have a Second Amendment sticker and an intention sticker right there, so that's pretty neat. And then the next thing you're going to notice is this lifetime warranty card. So if you go to theatomicbear.com/lifetime, make sure that you register your magnet. That way it's covered for the lifetime of the magnet. So that's actually a really cool thing right there. Now, if you have any questions at all, you can email support@theatomicbear.com and they will answer any questions that you might have regarding this magnet. So this was actually a plus that they've added into this box. The next thing looks like you're going to have this 3M double-sided foam tape right here. So if you were in any type of situation where you're not able to put screws into a wall or in a car or you name it, they give you another option where you can actually just stick it on there with this strong 3M tape. Now, right here in the box, looks like right up here at the top, look how strong that magnet is. It's grabbing those screws already. So right here you have 4 wood screws that come with it, and then of course, boom, the magnet itself. It's got a good weight to it right here, not too heavy. But a good thing about this magnet is that it has the coating up here on the top. So it's going to keep it from scratching your firearm. Now, this is supposed to be to where it doesn't magnetize your firearm, which we will dive in deeper in a future video. However, this was just a quick overview on this magnet. Well, there you have it, guys. Just a quick review on the Atomic Bear gun magnet. Make sure that you do go to theatomicbear.com/lifetime and register your magnet for that lifetime warranty. Also, check out all of our other episodes in this series where we're going to be installing this thing in a car, on the wall, under a desk, you name it, we're doing it. So be sure to go check those out as well, and I'll see y'all in the next one.